There is a profound sense of security in knowing your home's energy needs are met, not just adequately, but with a robust and intelligent foundation. It's a feeling of quiet independence, knowing your power is reliably managed. It represents a thoughtful step towards energy resilience, bridging the gap between relying solely on traditional utilities and embracing a truly self-sufficient and adaptable power solution for your household. This system seamlessly integrates into your home, providing dependable energy without compromise. Because it has undergone rigorous testing and earned comprehensive certifications like UL 1973, UL 9540A, and CEC, you gain an immediate assurance of its design, electrical safety, and thermal management, which means complete peace of mind for your family and property. And because it integrates sophisticated CAN 485 interfaces and features built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, managing your system becomes an intuitive process, allowing you to monitor its status effortlessly through a dedicated application on your device. And because its design is meticulously crafted for server rack compatibility, supporting vertical mounting, you can achieve remarkable space efficiency, which means expanding your energy capacity to significant levels, up to 163.8 kilowatt-hours, becomes a streamlined, organized endeavor that truly grows with your needs. Ultimately, this system quietly asserts itself as more than just a power source. It is a foundational component for a secure, intelligent, and adaptable home energy future. It provides the quiet confidence that comes from dependable power, precisely when you need it, for years to come. I put the link below so you can check the current price.